Hey, AP scholars. I think this would be a little. I think this is going to be a little fun for you. A lot of academic stuff, a lot of writing. Let's just do something creative that you guys already wrote. Let's put it together in something that's like publishable. Okay. So let me go over. This is a little. Using slides is not as good as saying using PowerPoint or using InDesign, what I use for the newspaper, but for the basics of what we're doing, it's pretty easy. Okay. So I'm going to save this template for you. What you do for this is 8 by 11, just like a regular text. It wouldn't be like a newspaper size. It would just be a standard like book size. And then up here, you do like insert image. So I uploaded this picture of my tea kettle. So when I go on vacation with the wife, I need my tea to be good. My wife and I are serious tea drinkers, right? We get this from England, Twinnings. I mean, we're serious tea drinkers, and I can't stand hotel tea. It might be Lipton. The tea tastes like coffee if it's in those urns, and I can't take that. Plus, I like a lot. I like a rolling boil. I want it nice and hot. It has to seep, so it's crazy that I bring this with us, but we do, right? So we can always have our morning tea, our afternoon tea, or evening tea, and I can make as many cups, and I can just wake up, and my wife wakes up, and I said, honey, I have a fresh rolling boil of tea for you, and it's all good, right? So this was an article that was just published here, okay? This was published just yesterday, and so I just took what was here. All right, it already has 221 people who liked it. That's cool. But so I took this, right, and the people comment, and it's all cool. But I wanted to take this and show you how to put it into. So I just copied. Just take your title. I just copied, made a text, insert text box. So insert a text box, put it here, type in or copy paste. Then, if you have like a kicker or like a subhead or something like that, my kicker was, what was it? Travel essentials. All right. Kind of sarcastic. I mean, this is a humor site. So, you format it the way you want to. And then, my byline, which is my title, my that's my name, and then you would be your name, and then you would put your year. All right, so I would do like 87. Yeah, that's when I graduated from here. Okay, then what I would do is just create columns. Now the problem with this is that these columns aren't equal. So if you can make them equal, that would be better, because this looks really weird. And if you want to go over to a second page, you can. I can't fit this all on one page. What I would do for consistency is to have it size 12, right? Just to make it, should be size 12. Okay. If we can have everything size 12, that would be really, really cool. And then for your artwork, what you would do is you would go to insert image, upload, or upload from your drive, or upload for photos. And I just uploaded this from I took this, while on vacation, because I knew I was going to write this piece, and I just inserted. All right. And then you have these, and then you have a column here, you have a column here, you have a column here. You also can probably, like for instance, insert text box. And let's just say I want to insert a text box. Let's just say really off page there. And then this is probably, because I've never format, line spacing. You could format, you could probably put this into columns that will be equal. You just have to, this is new to me because I'm trying to teach, format options, line spacing, line. That's how to get things justified. So I've justified this here. So the text here and here, it's all together. Okay, so it's same here, mostly what you see in magazines and newspapers. Okay, so this is like some journalism stuff I'm teaching you here. But if you can get, again, it doesn't have to be perfect. I would do single-spaced and slide, arrange, tools, add-ons. I don't think you need anything like that. This is still pretty basic. There must be a way to do columns. But even if you, what I just did is did like, a column here, and then this is not really right. But if you have two pictures, you want to do two pictures, and then if you wanted to create another page, that'd be cool too. And then what you would do is just go to File, Download, PDF. And so sometime next week, just download this as a PDF. And once you think everything is cool, and then it doesn't have to be perfect. Again, I don't expect you guys, this is just a really quick little, I just want to teach you guys like some tech stuff that's kind of cool, because you never know when you're going to be creating a company newsletter, or you want to do a family newsletter, or you want to like do your own self-publishing, and you want to come out with your own Amazon book. Scarlet Letter was self-published. Leaves of Grass was self-published. The Martian was self-published. So, these are all kind of cool things, and a lot of you like doing this artistic stuff. So I'm going to save this that you guys can edit, okay? And so if you have any questions, just let me know. As far as page numbers, I may not put page numbers because it's going to be a little problematic. I don't know if we have to. I don't think we have to worry about page numbers. Don't worry about page numbers because I have no idea where these are going to place. If something like this. Now, if you need to go to a second page, go to a second page. If there's space in that second page, don't worry about it. Just leave it blank. Okay, just leave it blank. Don't feel like you have to fill it. Now, if you want to fill it, now I have another picture for this. So I could, I always visit tea shops, and that's my favorite tea. No, that's my favorite tea. Yorkshire Gold Blend. Oh my goodness, this stuff is like, oh my god, stuff's like so good. Barry's is my second. PJ Tips I don't like so much. Taylor's is a little too expensive. I don't think it's worth it. But and the stuff I get from Pakistan and India too, direct. I mean, it's like it's in Arabic. I can't even read it, but it's so good. All right, now actually I can read. There's a little English on the bottom. But I'm serious. My wife and I are very serious tea drinkers. But it's just, hopefully this is kind of funny. People seem to like it. But and so that's my little tutorial. Hopefully this helps. Work on this today in class, tomorrow in class. If you have questions, let me know. And there's one more thing. I'm going to be creating a survey. I haven't done that all year. Usually I do that after each unit. This year's been a little tough, but I just want to get some feedback as to what you think this year of online instruction in AP Lang and Comp has been like. It's totally anonymous. You don't put your name. I just need to know, like, summer reading, did you like those selections? Were they a little too advanced or too whatever? Should we go back to reading Huck Finn? What projects did you like? What didn't like? All that kind of stuff. So, and again, I really do actually use Mrs. Lisa and I. We actually do use that feedback to make AP a better course. Like we got rid of Scarlet Letter because of the feedback, things like that. Or you might say, no, bring that back. I really like that, or whatever. So, and again, this online year has been like cray-cray. As you know. So thank you so much. Hopefully, I just wanted to have a little fun, do a little, because I find this I love this. I could do this for hours, and I do when I'm at home at night after dinner or late afternoon. So take care, and I'm here if you have questions.